Hey YouTube, this is Graham Reaper here doing a pack opening of Battle Pack Epic Dawn. I'm going to be opening my case opening soon. doing my case opening soon. I will do it after I get 50 subs. I open 12 boxes of Epic Dawn. But first, I'm going to be opening these. So, if you want to see it, subscribe to me. Then I'll open it after I get 50 subs. And because I already made a video of that saying I'm going to be opening soon, but only after I get 50 subs. So, but first I'll do 3 of these. This doesn't want to open. That might mean it has 2 guys in it. So I put these aside to see if they actually do. So first I'll open these ones here. Over here I got 4, then I got 2 over here, 6 altogether. Star Foil Mad Reloader and a Judgment Rare. Next one, it's a Painful War Star Foil and a Genesis. Gemini Pearl, Star Foil, Harpy's Feather, and Compulsory is pretty good. It's common. Star Foil and Gold Wars. Cool. And then a rare tribute. Hopefully that glare is better now from the light. Yeah, so these ones here are supposed to have the tour bus in it. Tour guide. So many of that Star Foil. And a rare Gemini Pearl. No tour guide. Okay, whatever. Skill Successor, Star Foil, and a Zen Meister. Okay guys, that's all I got for the pulls. The rares were Zen Master, Gemini Pearl, Tribute, Feather Duster, Genesis, Judgment. If you want these, just offer me a price. They're all yours. Star Foilers are the Skill Successor, Snowman, Gorge, Pearl, and Star Foil, Painful, and then Mad Reloader, Star Foil. and compulsory is common. But if you guys want any of these cards, please feel free to comment, PM me or comment, whatever. And if you want this common finish chain, Starfall Tour Guide, just let me know. Can't see it very well, but it is Starfall. Yeah, okay, anyway, but if you want any of these, please PM me. I will see what your offer is. Thanks and peace out.